Thursday the 6th. This week's been pretty shit. I'll explain why, but 10 a.m. has been getting edged a ton. Still banked today. 1,200 on each account. But yeah, let's look into the day. We have 9:30 open. Bias was bullish because I saw we were tapping into this 4-hour perfectly. 9:30 opens. We close out of the 4-hour, hit the C of that gap. I also had this 1-hour CISD that I was going to take, but it got edged by like 3 points. That ran 400. Coming into market open, I saw we're expanding up, created 10 a.m., marked that out. Missed this first setup. You can see we have a 5-minute rejection block right here. We hit the CE of it right here. This is a perfect rejection block setup, but I completely missed this. Sweep this low, valid rejection block in this 5-minute gap to the tick, 0 drawdown. Could have targeted this CISD as your TP, or most people, why can't I drag this? Most people probably would have been targeting this high or this 4-hour gap, which we did get into. But if you were targeting there, you would have either got break even, or if you trailed like 40 points or whatever. But if you targeted the CISD, you would have banged 68 points. That was the first trade I saw right there. 0 drawdown pretty much. Now the trade I took was kind of some bullshit, but it played out. A 15-minute rejection, didn't even wait for the close, which kind of sucked. I think it was within this same leg actually that you TP'd in. You would have TP'd in. I Fibonacci'd here. I think I saw this, missed this setup, came up here. And I shorted. I'm going to delete this position for now. I shorted off this just because we didn't get a down closed candle, making it a valid rejection block or a better rejection block. I limited the 7-9 instead of the CE of the rejection block, because I would have got stopped out. But yeah, I limited the 7-9 level of the fib, and I targeted this body of the candle, this body of this low. Could have targeted the 0 level, obviously, especially if you're using fib for 80 points, but targeted the body for 60-ish points. Bang, 2,400 across my 2 accounts. And yeah, pretty solid PA from there, or from stopping here. The rest was kind of some bullshit, not gonna lie. I don't really know what else there was. Oh, and of course we have the 10 a.m. setup. This was my original setup. This would have been a banger, but you know, we had to edge it. 5 points, and then we edge it again by 2 points right here. Distribute up 100 points, come back, trade below, and we're probably gonna trade back into this wick, maybe even down here. But yeah, I think those are the 2 most solid setups on the day that I just showed. That 10 a.m. would have been nice. Let me see if there's anything else. I got off as soon as I hit that too. I don't really see anything else. No 5 minutes. What did this tap into? 4 hour. Tapped into that 4 hour gap. As soon as you see that, scale down. Maybe could have taken an inversion. I mean, you could have taken this, I guess. Not the best setup, but as soon as we inverse that gap coming out of that 4 hour, you enter and target 10 a.m. But super iffy. Definitely want to take that shit. I would say the first two setups that I showed were pretty solid. This one specifically with the 5 minute, that's how you're supposed to use it. Coming out of a higher time frame, rejection block, and or coming out of a FEG as your level, and then using a 1 minute rejection block like this as your entry. Didn't get the best delivery, but still 75 points. But yeah, that's it. Have tomorrow, and the week's done. This week's been pretty shit. 10 a.m.'s been edging like crazy. I don't think it's played out a single time this week, but it's whatever. First week of August. It's not always gonna play out. Last week it played out, I would say, every day. But yeah, that's it.